The bushing is one of two flanges that secure the saw blade. The bushing is the inner flange, the one closest to the gearbox. The blade flanges can wear over time, which will cause the blade to wobble side to side. Replacing the bushing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before making any repairs to your miter saw or any other power tool, make sure that you have it unplugged. I'll begin by pulling the guard back and loosening the front guard screw. This will allow me to pull the guard back to get access to the blade screw. Now I'll use the wrench that came with the saw to remove the blade. The bushing is behind the blade, and it just simply pulls off of the arbor. I'll install the new bushing by sliding it over the arbor. Now I can install the blade by carefully inserting it into the upper guard. It's kind of a tight fit. Then I'll place the blade adapter over the arbor. Make sure it stays centered in the blade. Now I can reinstall the outer clamp. I'll align the straight edges on the outer clamp with the corresponding edges on the arbor. I'll finish up by reinstalling the blade screw and lowering the guard and securing it. And that's how easy it is to replace the bushing on your DeWALT miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.